I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 20 of your class 8 English grammar, that is comprehension. Comprehension क्या होती है? You have to understand a paragraph and answer the following questions. So comprehension aims to testing one's ability to read a passage. Aim का मतलब कि आप ability check करती है आपकी कि आप passage read कर सकते हो, understand कर सकते हो या नहीं. Understand its content and draw its inferences on the basis of what it read. The ability to grasp the content of the passage within a short span of time is mainly tested. On the basis of the content, some question have to be answered. Content की basis पे कुछ questions आपको answer करने पड़ते हैं passage में से within a limited time. So it is very important to have a good reading speed and ability to understand the content well. ये बहुत important है कि आपकी ability अच्छी हो reading करने के लिए और content को समझने की. So the given points should be kept in mind while reading a passage or for comprehension. Read the passage very carefully and try to understand the subject it deals with. आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है passage carefully और understand करना subject जिससे वो deal कर रहा है. Note the important details in your mind. आपको important details note करनी है. Now read one question at a time and find answer in the passage. आपको एक बार में एक ही question पढ़ना है और answer करना है passage. Write answer in a precise and concise manner. आपको precise और concise manner में answer लिखना है. The answer should be brief. The answer should be brief, preferable in your own words. आपका answer brief होना चाहिए, preferable होना चाहिए आपके अपने words में. Sometimes you may not understand a few words in the passage, but if you read it repeatedly, you may understand the meaning in the given content. कभी-कभी आप अपने words, few words नहीं समझ पाते, अगर आप उसे ध्यान से पढ़ोगे तो आप अपने words में निकाल सकते हो उसका meaning given context में से. The two golden rules are given below. दो golden rules हैं. Your answer should be brief and precise. आपका answer brief और precise होना चाहिए. Your answer should be written in your own words as far as possible. आपका answer अपने words में लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. So here are some comprehension that you can read and answer the following question as follows. So that's all for today. I hope you all like the explanation of this chapter. Thank you and have a great day.